Hello students, welcome to memoneet. I am Sahin, currently studying MBBS from College of Medicine and JNM Hospital, Kalyani. So today we will discuss about FLT 9 paper. So first question here, Zoology, for Zoology 136. It is saying that again we put the question from cockroach. Why? Because you need to revise it. And this is just 1 month remaining now. So you have to revise each and everything from biology. If you revise each and everything from biology, I guarantee you, you will get 340 plus in biology out of 360, which is a good enough marks to secure a government medical seat. Okay, without 340, I don't think you will get a chance this year. Maybe if the paper is getting tough, if paper will be tough, then because if the paper is tough, it will be tough for everyone. If it is not, then it will be for like no one. Okay, so if it is easy, then you have to score out of more than 340 in biology. Okay, so select the incorrect match for the cockroach. It is saying that compound eye 1 pair, it is correct. Antenna 1 pair, it is correct. Wings 3 pair. So in cockroach, how many wings are there? 2 pairs of wings are there, so this is not correct. Then testis and ovary 1 pair and 1 pair. So both 1 pair, testis and ovary is present in cockroach, male and female respectively. So third option is your correct answer. Next question, question number 137. It is saying that select the group in which at least one structure are a part of forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Okay, one structures are part of forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. So you know, first of all, you can understand this, that how you will, like, this is a very good question. I will say this is an easy question but a good question, mixed kind of question. Forebrain, what we have? Forebrain we have corpus callosum, hypothalamus, thalamus and cerebrum. Midbrain, what we have? Midbrain we have cerebral aqueduct, and what we have hindbrain? Cerebellum, pons and medulla. Okay, so if we see all these things, there will be one option where every one component will be from each brain, forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. So corpus callosum is from where? Corpus callosum is from your forebrain. Cerebral aqueduct from where? It is from your midbrain, and cerebellum is from your hindbrain. So this first option is your correct answer. Why others are not correct? Because hypothalamus is from where? Hypothalamus is from forebrain, pons is from hindbrain, cerebellum is also from hindbrain. So in this way, first option is your correct answer. So question number 138 now, it is saying that how many matching are correct? 138. How many matching are correct? So first polar body haploid, yeah, definitely first polar body is haploid, correct. Second polar body is haploid, polar body is always haploid, so it is correct. Primary spermatocyte are diploid, primary spermatocyte are diploid, it is correct. Then secondary oocyte are diploid, no, secondary oocytes are haploid. So 3 of them are correct, second option is your correct answer. Very easy questions are there. So as much you are revising, and then so as much time you will revise, the paper will get more easy and easier. Okay, so, and analyze it, definitely you have to analyze it. Then question number 139, select the incorrect match for frog. Okay, so this question is from frog. Kidney 1, it was just simple question, just basic information. We have not put a very tough question in this paper. Okay, this is a very easy question. Kidney 1 pair, correct. Bladder canal 1 pair, correct. Then villi and microvilli, inner wall of esophagus. Can you think that villi and microvilli present in the inner wall of esophagus? It is villi and microvilli is mainly associated with where? Intestine. So this is not present in esophagus. Then cranial nerve and peripheral nervous system, peripheral nervous spinal nerve system. This is also correct. Okay, so which one is the incorrect? Third option is your incorrect answer. Then question number 140. Let's see what it is saying. Statement first. It is saying that the Indian government has set up GESC, which will make decisions regarding the validity of genetically modified research. Correct. And statement second, biopiracy is the term used to refer the use of bioresources by native people. No, this is not correct. Okay, so statement first is true but not second is false. So first option is your correct answer. Because what is the biopiracy? Biopiracy means that this is something term that use of bioresources by MNC, multinational company and other organization without the proper authorization from the countries and people concerned without compensatory payment, like this. Okay, so first option is your correct answer. Then question number 141. Match list first with list second. So genetically engineered human insulin. What will be matched with? So where will be matched with? What it will matched with? It will be matched with E. coli. Okay, so this is E. coli. Then GM cotton, it will be matched with Bacillus thuringiensis, GM cotton. Adenosine dimer deficiency, it will be matched with your gene therapy here. Gene therapy. Then after that, last thing is ELISA. Okay, enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. And it is a antigen antibody reaction. So correct answer for this question will be option number 4th. Then question number 142. 142. Following are the steps involved in the action of toxin in Bt cotton. So what are the correct sequence? So the correct sequence is very easy. First, what happens that Bacillus thuringiensis produce crystal with toxic insecticidal protein. Correct. Then what happens? The toxin protein exists as inactive protoxin in bacteria. Correct. Then alkaline pH solubilize the crystal. Correct. Then what happens? The inactive toxin converted into active form due to alkaline pH of the gut of insect. Correct. Then lastly, the activated toxin binds to the surface of midgut cell, creates force and causes death of the insect. Correct. So our 4th option will be your correct answer for this question. Then moving to the next question, it is a match the following type question. I love match the following type questions because these are the most scoring ones. You can't make any mistake in this match the following. Cocaine. So cocaine is obtained from Erythroxylum coca. Then heroin. What is heroin? Heroin is obtained from Papaver somniferum. Morphine is what? Morphine is an effective sedative in surgery. Then marijuana is cannabis sativa. So your correct answer for this question will be option number 3rd. Then moving to the next part, question number 144. It is saying that common cold. So common cold is caused by whom? Common cold is caused by rhinovirus. Almost 99% one of us common cold once in your life. So what is the causative thing? Causative virus, that is your rhinovirus. And hemozoin is a toxin, you know, it is plasmodium. Okay. Malaria. Weidel test, also obviously you know that Weidel test is used in typhoid. Allergy is dust mites. So correct answer for this question will be option number 2nd. Easy peasy questions. Question number 145. Again, match the following type question which I love. Malignant tumor shows the property of metastasis. Okay. Then malt what is? That is the lymphoid tissue, more than 50% lymphoid tissue. NACO is the AIDS. It is related to AIDS. Okay. Then gamma interferons destroy tumor. So correct answer for this question will be option number 1st. Next we are moving with 146 number question. First statement is saying that antibiotics are chemicals produced by microbes that kill other microbes. So antibiotics are chemical produced by microbes that kill other microbes. Is it correct? Do you think? Tell me. Is it correct or not? Yeah, definitely it is correct. Then statement 2nd. Antibodies are chemicals formed in the body that eliminates microbes. So this is also correct. So both statements are correct. So 3rd option will be your correct answer for this question. Then question number 147. A hominid fossil discovered in Java in 1891, now extinct, having cranial capacity of about 900 cc was Australopithecus, Homo erectus, Neanderthal man or Homo sapiens. So this was your Homo erectus. 2nd option is your correct answer. 900 cc, that means the cranial capacity of brain. Then again match the following type question. Adaptive radiation. What do you mean by adaptive radiation? Okay, so you need to match. Adaptive radiation is shown by Darwin finches. Then convergent evolution. Convergent evolution, what will be correct one? So tell me the example of convergent evolution. That is wings of butterfly and bird. Wings of butterfly and bird. This is the convergent evolution and this is the divergent evolution. So convergent evolution is wings of butterfly and bird. So which are structurally same but functionally not. And what is the divergent evolution? Functionally same but structurally not. Divergent evolution will be bone of four limbs in man and whale. Okay, so we have bones of 4 limbs. Both do whatever the things we do with hand, also with the whale. Okay, but are they structurally same? They are not. Then is evolution by anthropogenic action. So it will be selection of resistant varieties due to excessive use of herbicides and pesticides. So this one. So our correct answer for this question will be option number 4th. Then question number 149. Option number 4. So the animal coelacanth caught in South Africa is an example of vertebrate transition from fish to amphibia, amphibia to reptilia, reptilia to bird, but reptilia to mammalia. It was fish to amphibia. Okay, first option is your correct answer. Then question number 150. It is saying that which of the following could help in prevention of diuresis? Prevention of diuresis. Okay, that means decreasing of your urine. Decreasing of your urine. So first option is saying that ANF, atrial natriuretic factor, causes vasoconstriction. So if ANF causes vasoconstriction, then that it will increase the diuresis. Okay, so this is not correct. Then decrease in secretion of renin by Jg cells. This is also not correct. And more water reabsorption due to under secretion of ADH. It is also not correct. Reabsorption of Na plus and water from the renal tubules due to aldosterone. This will prevent ADH, and also this will increase ADH, antidiuretic hormone. This will decrease ADH and this will prevention of diuresis. Sorry, this is wrong. I am telling. This will decrease. This will decrease the ADH. So if antidiuretic hormone will decrease, then diuresis will automatically get prevented. So fourth option is your correct answer. Then question number 151. Let's see. So it is saying that given below are the two statements. Statement first, concentrated urine is formed due to counter current mechanism in nephron. So concentrated urine is formed due to counter current mechanism in nephron. It is correct. Obviously it is correct. Then it is saying that counter current mechanism helps to maintain osmotic gradient in the medullary interstitium. It is also correct. Because of the counter current mechanism through the vasarictin, you know that, Henle's loop. So that helps to maintain the osmotic gradient in the medullary interstitium, urea and water. Okay. So third option is your correct answer. Both statements are correct. Next, moving with question number 152. Sorry, match the following again, which I love. Pituitary gland. Okay, so pituitary gland is associated with diabetes insipidus. Thyroid gland is associated with Graves' disease. Then adrenal gland is associated with Addison disease. Pancreas is associated with diabetes mellitus. This is a very good question. This may be confused. Pituitary gland, diabetes insipidus. Many of them know that it is due to ADH, diabetes insipidus. So first option is your correct answer. Then question number 153. It is saying that which of the following are not the effects of parathyroid hormone? So which of the following are not the effects of parathyroid hormone? So first of all, we need to understand that which of the effects of parathyroid hormone. It stimulates the process of bone resorption, correct. Decrease the calcium level in blood. No, it increases the calcium level in blood. So not correct. Then what? Then reabsorption of calcium by renal tubules, correct. And decrease. One second. Not the effects. Okay, yeah. So decrease the absorption of calcium from digested food. No, not at all. Not correct. And increases metabolism of carbohydrates. Not correct. So which are not the function of parathyroid hormone? B, D, E. First option is your correct answer. Then question number 154. 154. Yeah. Vertebrochondral ribs. So vertebrochondral ribs are 8th, 9th and 10th pair of ribs. Floating ribs, which are floating ribs? 11th and 12th ribs pairs are floating ribs. Then scapula. Scapula have acromion process. Then coxal bone, ilium, ischium and pubis. So correct answer for this question will be option number third. Third option is your correct answer. Then question number 155. It is saying that given below are the two statements. So one is labeled as assertion and next is the reason. So assertion is saying that after death, the body muscles get stiff as a state of partial contraction of muscle. It is correct. You will read a lot more in your FMT, in third prof, third MBBS, third prof. This is a molecule. This is a very interesting thing. Okay. is a period of relaxation and contraction. This is correct. Then attachment of myosin head to unexpected site on action can take place partially. This is not correct. So assertion is true but reason is false. So our correct answer will be option number 3rd. Then question number 156. It is saying that in the given below examples, how many animals in which heart is present at ventral side of the body? Cockroach, crocodile, rat, monkey, Pheretima, Nereis, locust or Culex. So in phylum Chordata, the heart is present on the ventral side of the body. So Chordata, what we have? Phylum Chordata we have crocodile, then we have monkey, and then we have rat. Rest are cockroach, this is Arthropoda, locust is Arthropoda, Culex is Arthropoda, Pheretima is your, I forget, but this is Arthropoda, Platyhelminthes I guess. So this is, so 3 is your correct answer, 4th option. Then question number 157. In the given below diagrams, how many animal in which mesoderm is absent? So mesoderm is absent in diploblastic animals. So first is Spongilla, that is diploblastic animal, diploblastic. Then B is your sea anemone, it is diploblastic animal. And C is your Pleurobrachia, diploblastic animal. So in diploblastic animal, mesoderm is absent. And then D is your Fasciola, Fasciola is diploblastic animal. E is your Asterias, it is a diploblastic animal. F is your Celon, it is a diploblastic animal. So 3 will be your correct answer for this question. That mesoderm are absent in A, B, C. Next question, diagram based question. What it is saying that in the given below diagrams, how many are muscular tissue? So how many are muscular tissue you need to tell. First is your goblet cell. Goblet cell is unicellular glandular epithelium. Goblet cell is unicellular glandular epithelium. So is it a muscular tissue? No, it is not a muscular tissue. Then B is the dense irregular connective tissue. C is smooth muscle, D is cardiac muscle. So muscular tissue are 2. So it's very easy, I think easiest of all. There is no point of giving this diagram and then asking this question is a muscular tissue. So 4th option is your correct answer. Then question number 159. It is saying that select the correct statement for members of Mammalia. Select the correct statement for members of Mammalia. So only 3 and 4 chambered heart is present. So for Mammalia only 4 chambered heart is present. So this is not correct. And development is direct type. Development is direct, correct. Bony endoskeleton is present. Only cartilaginous endoskeleton is present. No, only bony endoskeleton is present. Then central nervous system is dorsal, hollow and single. Single, this is just typo. So is this correct? Yeah, this is also correct. And then we have all are warm-blooded animal. Yeah, Mammalia are warm-blooded animals. So second option B, D is your correct answer. Then question number 160. It is saying that limbic system is associated with sexual behavior. Medulla oblongata is present where? It is present in, medulla oblongata is associated with cardiovascular reflex, and pons is present in hindbrain. Neurosecretory cells are hypothalamus. Easy peasy. So what is your answer? Second option is your correct answer. Then question number 161. Select the correct match. Intercalated disc, heart, voluntary. So in heart obviously involuntary, then definitely this is not correct. Then next, ligament, connective tissue, collagen fiber. Ligament, connective tissue, collagen fiber, correct. Smooth muscle, intestine, then involuntary. Yeah, smooth muscle in intestine, it is smooth muscle which are involuntary, correct. Skeletal muscle involuntary, no, skeletal muscles are voluntary. This is your bicep. Okay? This is bicep. So this is where this is not correct. So which are correct? You have B and C. First option is your correct answer. Then question number 162. 162. It is saying that menopause comes about 50 years of age. And one menstrual cycle is about 20 to 29 days. Fallopian tube Fallopian tube, which is about 10 to 12 centimeter long. FSH attain a peak level, that is your ovulation period, about 14 days of your menstrual cycle. Easy. Second option is your correct answer. This paper, I think you should score more than 350. Up to this 350 definitely. This is a very easy paper. This kind of paper will be given to boost the confidence of the student. If you are not getting all 320, 330 in this paper, then I don't know what you are doing. Then question number 163. Statement first. Multiload 375 are a type of non-medicated IUD. So multiload 375 is a type of copper releasing IUD. This is not correct. Lipase loop is a type of copper releasing IUD. No, it is a hormonal IUD. Non-medicated IUD, sorry, non-medicated IUD. So both statements are incorrect. So first option is your correct answer. Then moving to the question number 164. Again a statement based question. It is saying that statement first, an ideal contraceptive should easily available, effective and reversible with no or least side effect. Absolutely correct. Okay. So then next is saying that next statement, natural method work on the principle of avoiding the chances of ovum and sperm mating. Correct. Like natural methods, you know, rhythm method, then tracking method, all these things. Okay. Then pull out method. These are all based on what? That not avoiding the chances of meeting sperm and ovum. So fourth option, both first and second statements are correct, is your correct answer. Then question number 165. It is saying that given below are the two statements. Statement first, placenta also act as an endocrine tissue and produce several hormones. Correct. Placenta, there are a lot of hormones you can find in NCERT. Then statement second, the morula continues to divide and transform into blastocyst. So this is also correct, that morula continues to divide and transform into blastocyst. So this way. So fourth option is your correct answer. Then question number 166. It is saying that under normal condition, every 100 ml of oxygenated blood can deliver how much ml of oxygen to tissue? So that will deliver 5 ml of oxygen and to tissue. So fourth option is your correct answer. Then question number 167. Saying that platelets, also called thrombocytes, are cell fragments produced from megakaryocyte. Is it correct? Platelets, also called as thrombocyte, a cell fragment produced from megakaryocyte. Absolutely correct. And second statement is saying that platelets are involved in the coagulation of blood. Absolutely correct. So both statements are correct. So correct option will be option number 4. Easy, very easy question. I don't need to explain anything. Like if you have read everything, I don't need to explain a single question. Okay. Except one or two. The next question is question number 168. Let's see what it is saying. Assertion is saying that at very low temperature, enzyme activity is decreased. Definitely enzyme works on a very narrow zone. So this is the where minimal activity. So if slight decrease or increase in temperature can affect the enzyme activity. And reason what it is saying that at very low temperature, proteins are denatured by the heat. So at very low temperature, no, at very high temperature, proteins are denatured, not in low temperature. So this is not correct. So assertion is correct, but reason is not correct. Second option will be your correct answer. Then question number 169. It is saying that which of the following is the steps of respiration in human? Which of the following are steps of respiration in human? Diffusion of gases across alveolar membrane, correct. Transport of gases by the blood, correct. Diffusion of O2 and CO2 between blood and tissues, correct. So all of them are correct. So fourth option is your correct answer. Then question number 170. What is the number of carboxylic group in alanine, palmitic and serine respectively? This is a very good question. So I think all these alanine, palmitic acid and serine is given in your NCERT diagram, and you need to just identify the carboxylic group. Okay, so all they have 1,1,1 carboxylic acid. This is also a trick. Alanine, APS have one carboxylic acid group. So second option is your correct answer. The next question, 171. It is saying that select the heterotrophic eukaryotes. Heterotrophic eukaryotes. Heterotrophic eukaryotes are angelfish, heterotrophic eukaryotes, then alternaria, and amphioxus. So second option AEF is your correct answer. Then question number 172. Match the following type question. So Bacillus thuringiensis is related with cryprotein. Thermus aquaticus is a type of DNA polymerase. Okay, so that is related with your PCR. And Agrobacterium tumefaciens, that is your cloning vector. And Salmonella typhimurium, construction of first recombinant DNA molecule. So your correct answer will be option number 4. Next question, question number 173. It is saying that in recombinant DNA technology, antibiotics are used to keep media. Sorry, I am reading the solution, not the question. It is saying that in recombinant DNA technology, antibiotics are used as selective markers. No, to keep medium bacteria free. Yeah. And that's why antibiotics are used in recombinant rDNA technology. That's the recombinant DNA technology. Why antibiotics are used? What's the function of them? To keep the medium bacteria free. So if bacteria coagulate the media, then it will be no use. Second option is your correct answer. Then question number 174. It is saying that what is the fate of a piece of DNA carrying only gene of interest which is transferred into an alien organism? Okay, then all these options we have. First option, what we have, that the piece of DNA would be able to multiply itself independently in the progeny cells of the organism. So this is correct. No, this is not correct. Then it may get integrated into genomes of the recipient. Correct. Then it may multiply and be inherited along with the host DNA. Correct. Then D, the alien piece of DNA is not an integral part of chromosome. Not correct. It shows ability to replicate. Not correct. So correct answer for this question will be B and C. Second option. Then question number 175. It is saying that which of the following statement is incorrect? Okay. Most commonly used bioreactors are of stirring type. Correct. And bioreactors are used to produce a small scale bacterial culture. No, they are used to large scale bacterial culture. Not correct. Then bioreactors have an aerator system, the churning kind of thing, an oxygen delivery system and foam control system. All these have in bioreactor. And then last option is saying that a bioreactor provides optimal growth condition for achieving the desired product. So correct answer. So second option is your correct answer. Then question number 176. Okay, it is saying that 176. It is saying that which of the following is not a selectable marker of cloning vector? Ampicillin resistant gene, metformin. Metformin is a medicine used in diabetes. Okay, diabetes mellitus mainly. So this is not related with selectable marker of cloning vector. Then chloramphenicol resistant gene correct. Tetracycline resistant gene is correct. Second option is your correct answer. Then question number 177. Which of the following are the correct match? Coronary artery disease, atherosclerosis. Is it correct? Absolutely, it is correct. Then angina pectoris, acute chest pain. Correct. High blood pressure affect vital organ. Correct. But what are the most vital organ? Brain, heart, and kidney, and also liver. So high blood pressure mainly affect this. So fourth option is your correct answer. Then question number 178. It is saying that select the correct statement. So you need to select the correct statement. Glycine and glucose are primary metabolite. Glycine and glucose are primary metabolite. Correct. Then it is saying that protein is a homopolymer. not a heteropolymer. Protein is a heteropolymer, not a homopolymer. Starch and cellulose are heteropolymer. Starch and cellulose are homopolymer. Not correct. Peptide bonds are present in Rubisco. Peptide bonds are present in Rubisco. Correct. The number of carbon atoms are same in serine, glycerol and alanine. So this is also correct. The number of carbon atoms are same in serine, glycerol and alanine. Third option is your correct answer, ADE. Moving to the next question, question number 179. It is saying that identify the fossil of man who showed the following characteristic: brain capacity 1400 cc, use hides to protect their body, okay, buried their dead bodies. So Homo erectus, Neanderthal man, Homo habilis or Australopithecus? This is definitely Neanderthal man, second option. Homo erectus has a cranial capacity almost 900 to 1000 cc. Homo habilis 900 cc. Australopithecus is not known, I don't know, but this is not related with. Okay, so Neanderthal man is your correct answer. And last question of this paper, 180. What it is saying that, sorry. Select the animals in which cartilaginous vertebral column is present. Cartilaginous vertebral column. So hagfish, cyclostomata, and sawfish you have chondrichthyes. Okay, that is cartilaginous vertebral column, which are actually fish. Okay, so correct answer will be option number second, only A and C. Sorry, A and C. Hagfish, yeah. So second option is your correct answer. This concludes the discussion part of your FLT 9 Zoology. Thank you.